Hello and welcome to Evans Halshaw TV. In this video we're going to show you how to change your car's windscreen wiper blades. To complete this job, the only thing you'll need is a new set of wiper blades. The wiper blades you need to buy for your car will depend on what make and model it is. That's because there are different types of fastenings and wiper lengths available. If you're unsure which wipers you need, then consult with your vehicle's handbook. Alternatively, contact your nearest Evans Halshaw retailer, who will be able to source you a set using your car's registration number. Pro tip: we recommend buying a set of branded wiper blades from your car's manufacturer or the likes of Bosch and Valeo. They'll do a better job of clearing the screen without smearing, unlike some cheaper brands. To begin, make sure your car's wiper arms are in the correct service position. Consult with your vehicle's handbook to find out what the wiper blade service position is for your specific car. Some models require the arms to be moved up the windscreen in order to access the blades. There are a few different mechanisms for wiper blade fastenings, depending on the car you own. Some require you to push a button to release the wiper blade, whilst others require you to squeeze two buttons on either side of the blade for the fastening. Another common mechanism is a C-hook arm that requires you to fold the wiper blade at a perpendicular angle to the arm and then pull it off. If you're unsure which mechanism your car has, we recommend looking at your car's manual, which will illustrate which fastening your car utilises for the wiper blades. Once you've ascertained the correct position and mechanism, you can go ahead and remove the old wiper blade. Fitting your new wiper blades is simply a reversal of the method you used to remove them. But one thing to be mindful of is that cars have different length wiper blades for the driver and passenger side, so make sure you're fitting the correct size to each wiper arm. We also advise taking your time when fitting the new wiper blades, since some of the plastic housings and clips can be quite fragile, meaning any excessive force could break them. Once your new wiper blades have been refitted, you can place the wiper arms back down into their resting position. If this video has helped you, then please subscribe to our channel and remember to click the bell as well. For more helpful advice and guides, please take a look at our other videos or visit our website. And remember, if you need help maintaining your car because you don't have time to, or you don't feel comfortable, then your nearest Evans Halshaw retailer will be more than happy to assist. Thank you for watching.